काल इन्सिडेंट जालो तो खूब वायट आसा. काल इवनिंग जालो आनी म्हाका खबर नासली. म्हाका आयज सकाळी कळ्ळें म्हणून हांव येयलें आतां. तिका GMCन एडमीट केला आनी खूब खूब म्हणल्यार खूब तिका माल हें लागला, चावल्या तकलेचेर बी हें केलां आनी खूब अत्यंत वायट हें. एवरी टायम ते म्हाका हांगाच खूब प्रॉब्लम जाता. हे 2 बिल्डींग आसा पळय. लास्ट टायम बी कॉल केल्लो आनी हांवें गाडी 4-5 फावटी तरी गाडी धाडली, पूण जेन्ना ते गाडयेचो आवाज आयकता पळय तेन्ना ते पळटा. आतां 1 वर जालें आमी आसा PFA आनी आमी सगळीं आसा, पूण मेळोना. ते आयदर ते लेकान हें करता नाल्यार ते वयर वयता. सो खूब आनी तेजी बेबी बी आसा, ल्हान बेबी आसा ते म्हणजे. आनी हो एक फर्स्ट इन्सिडंट न्हू, हेजे पयलीं आनी एक धाकटे भुरग्याक बी चावलेलो हें करून. PFA हांव तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केलो की आतां तुमी ताका म्हणल्यार ते म्हणटा स्टरलायज करतले, हें करतले आनी परत ह्याच जाग्यार हाडून सोदता ते. सो PFA कडेन बी गाडी तेंचे प्लेस ना तांकां दवरपा आनी म्युन्सिपालिटी कडेन बी प्लेस ना आमी. पूण आमी मिटिंगी आमी म्हणजे हांवच सगळेच कावन्सिलर आमी खूब कित्याक वास्कोन फूल वास्को स्ट्रे डॉग्सान हें केल्ले आसा आनी सगळ्याक हांगाच अशें न्हू म्हळ्यार न्हू सगळे कडेन आसा स्ट्रे डॉग्स. लास्ट मिटींग आमची जाली तेन्ना सुद्दां आमी उलयले. नियरली 5000 अशें तेणी सर्वे केला. 5000 कितें इन वास्को सिटी स्ट्रे डॉग्स आसा म्हणून.
Yeah, the incident which happened should not happen again to anyone over here, because all the residents, their lives are at risk, and I feel a solution should be taken. We should find some solution to end this. It should be a permanent solution, not that they are just taken to PFA and brought back. We need to find a solution, because we cannot see the residents living in fear like this. They move around with a stick to defend themselves in such a case, and this now has been, I think, the 10th or the 11th incident which has happened. So we need to really find a solution to this and solve the problems of the residents over here.
A baby of 6 years old was dragged from that Koilo apartment. She was also badly eaten, and some other girl also from there was badly eaten. This is recently 6 months back story. And a girl from here on top, on the 4th floor she stays, Deborah, she was also eaten very badly, and she was also taken to the Cottage Hospital. From Cottage Hospital they took her to JMC for stitches and all. And this incident which happened yesterday also was very bad. Couldn't see it, and she was beaten very badly. We also want to tell the authorities to take a decision, something to be done regarding these dogs.
New apartment, and this is not a first incident. I think this is the 4th time or 5th time, and people are fear to walk from this place to go to the market. They are taking the sticks and they are going, and they are attacking especially ladies. And the pattern is that one this thing comes and then the others follows that dogs, and they are biting so horribly, it become painful for people. So some authorities should take some responsibilities. I know dogs are everywhere, so we don't like to kill them also, because we love dogs. So some municipality also should take this thing proper initiative and give us the safety for our people.